Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restore a deleted contact from the trash bin or recycling bin on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. Select your user account up at the top right, the little picture. Scroll over where it says people and sharing and select that. And then where it says contacts, go ahead and select that in here. And then locate the hamburger icon at the top left and select underneath fix and manage where it says trash. Go ahead and select that. And then locate the item in here you want to restore, or which contact you want to restore. And then select the recover button. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.